Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. Here's that STIHL MS170 that I put those parts into. Let me show you what I did. Here's the components I put into it. I replaced the Zone carburetor with this carburetor, and the spark plug, fuel hose, oil pickup, and the connector boot, which my connector boot, you can see how oblong it is. It was leaking a little bit of air. I've done a static test, which is basically a bench test, which I started the chainsaw and it ran good after putting the components in it. We'll do a test on this. This is some decorative wood that they use out here on the West Coast for when they do the yard work for edging. You can see maybe on the back here they edge the lawns with it. It's hardwood, it's 4 inches thick, and I'll make about 4 cuts with this chainsaw that I fixed. And also they sent me HIPA sent me a chain, and I'll fire it. We'll try it out, test it, we'll see how it works. Now this is some dirty wood, so we do expect to do a little bit of damage to that chain, and we'll sharpen it after a bit. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. Does the roll out really good. You always a chainsaw, a good way to test the carburetor diaphragms is do the roll out, roll over it's called, and this one passed it good. The chain, I didn't damage it. I did brush this off. Done a beautiful job. I'd have to recommend that these parts did real good for me. Compared to the price of the OEM steel parts, I would have paid probably over $100 for these parts, and through HIPA, and they usually ship free freight. You have to check with them, but I bet I wouldn't have spent probably $25 somewhere in there for what I've got. Chains are a different price. I mean, they send you 2 packs, and the chains different price. Now you'd contact the site. They tell you where these chains are, what kind of steel they made, or excuse me, what kind of steel they're made from, and they appear to be good quality.